Can I get my money back from Kraken? Intro. Question hook. Ever wondered if you can get your money back from Kraken? Well, that's the question we're diving into today. Context. Kraken's role. Kraken is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform offering a wide range of digital assets and trading services. Scenario. But what happens when things go wrong? Maybe you've lost money due to a glitch, a scam, or simply a bad investment. Key points to address. Understanding Kraken's refund policy. Does Kraken have a specific refund policy? What are the conditions for refunds? Are there any time limits for requesting refunds? Common refund scenarios. Technical glitches. If a system malfunction leads to losses, can you get your money back? Scams and phishing. If you've fallen victim to a scam, what are your options? Investment losses. Can you claim a refund for poor investment decisions? Steps to request a refund. How to contact Kraken's customer support. What information to provide. Documenting your claim. The refund process. What to expect during the review process. Potential timelines for a decision. Possible outcomes: full refund, partial refund, or denial. Alternative dispute resolution. If you're dissatisfied with Kraken's response, what other options are available? Exploring mediation or arbitration services. Legal recourse. When might legal action be necessary? Understanding your rights as a consumer. Real-world examples. Case studies. Share real-life stories of people who have successfully or unsuccessfully sought refunds from Kraken. Lessons learned. Highlight the key takeaways from these cases, such as the importance of documentation or the effectiveness of alternative dispute resolution. Tips for preventing future losses. Safeguarding your account. Discuss best practices for protecting your Kraken account from hacking or unauthorized access. Educating yourself. Emphasize the importance of understanding the risks involved in cryptocurrency trading and conducting thorough research before making investments. Conclusion. Recap key points. Summarize the main points discussed in the video, reinforcing the key information viewers should remember. Final thoughts. Offer your personal perspective on the topic, sharing any insights or advice you've gained from your research. Call to action. Encourage viewers to share their own experiences with Kraken refunds in the comments section and subscribe for more financial content. Closing statement. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.